A combination of smooth and tumbled leather appears via the underlays and overlays respectively, with the latter getting a tan makeover. These shades appear on the mudguard, eye stays, collar, and heel overlay, while muted white shades are visible on the toe box and quarter panel. Working up a similarly shaded mesh tongue is a set of stark white laces, stopping just below the black embroidered Jumpman logo. As for the rest of the branding hits, the Nike swoosh featured on the profile comes in the tan tumbled leather finish, while the rear's stamped wings logo gets covered in red and black.